Aztec Softwares, and this is the 11th tutorial on PHP Constant. So what is a PHP constant? PHP constants are like variable, except that once they are defined, they cannot be changed or undefined. A constant is an identifier name for a simple value. The value cannot be changed during the script. A valid constant name starts with a letter or an underscore. No $sign before the constant name. Note, unlike variable, constants are automatically global across the entire script. So the script syntax of a constant is, you have to how can you declare a constant variable? You have to write define function. So it takes three parameters. The first parameter is name, the second parameter is value, and the third parameter is optional, which is case insensitive. By default, case insensitive is false, but if you want case insensitiveness active, you have to declare it as true. If you do not mention the third parameter, it will take it as false, as it's the default. Now we'll do a practical representation of this. We'll open our Notepad++, save this file, in our htdocs. In htdocs we have created a folder for our YouTube tutorials. So I'll save the file as PHP Constants. Change the extension to .php. Save. Now this is my PHP file. I'll open my PHP syntax. And just like a variable, I'll declare a value. As I had told you that for declaring a constant variable, you have to use define function. The define function, the first parameter of the define function takes the name of the variable. So for example, name could be name, comma, second parameter could be Aztec. Now I have declared this name variable, and I have stored Aztec value in this constant. This is an example of PHP constants. Now if I echo name over here, save this file, I'll go back to my browser, I'll type localhost /u2. Oh, my htdocs is off. I'll open my htdocs panel and I'll turn on my Apache server. I'll close this and refresh the page. I'll find my PHP constant file, and see, it has printed Aztec for me on the browser. Now I'll show you the second I'll show you the in case sensitive way. So I'll show you the case insensitive way. Now I'll give the third parameter as name. Go back to my browser. I'll refresh the page. See, it's still printing Aztec for me. Now I'll write the name in the uppercase. So as I'll refresh the page, see, it is still printing Aztec for me. So now what has happened here is, as I had told you that if by passing my third parameter as true, this variable I can declare this variable in both the ways. If I want to do it in uppercase, I can declare it as in I can echo it in uppercase, and even if I do it in smaller case, it will still print the value of Aztec on the browser. If I remove this third parameter and I refresh, see, it has given me an syntax error. It's just because now it is printing, as I have removed the third parameter, it has become the case sensitive way, and I'm echoing the uppercase version, it is not getting the Aztec value. So if I write my name in smaller case, save the file and refresh, see, again it has printed Aztec for me. Now the constant variables are global by default. So even if I declare a function called myfunc, and echo the constant name within my function, echo the function within my echo the name constant within my function, and create and call this function below. Save the file. Go back to my browser and refresh. See, it is still printing Aztec for me, whereas I had declared Aztec. It is the Aztec constant, the name constant is not declared in this function. It is outside the function. So this was an example of PHP constant variables. In my next tutorial, I will give you a brief introduction to PHP operators. If you have liked this video, please hit on thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.